Welcome everyone to the University at Albany, also known as UAlbany, home of the Great Danes. This public Research One university is part of the State University of New York system with world-class faculty, cutting-edge facilities, Division I sports, and a highly diverse and inclusive student body. More than 17,000 undergraduate and graduate students call this campus home, a welcoming place to build relationships and a resume. Hands-on learning is central to their experience here, and just about everyone gets the chance to collaborate with faculty on major research and scholarship in a wide range of disciplines. Located in Albany, New York, the capital of the Empire State, UAlbany is in the heart of this mid-sized city's vibrant culture, with outdoor adventure a stone's throw away and major cities like Boston, New York, and Montreal within a few hours' drive. I'm your host, Alex Boylan, and over the next half hour, we'll meet 10 remarkable students who are all going to share how they are unleashing greatness right here on campus and beyond. Welcome to the University at Albany. This is a College Tour.